Well, I drained some of this fuel stuff out of the tank. It don't look quite right. Different angles, different colours. So, it definitely don't smell right and doesn't feel right. Like, I had a lot of that fuel go across my hand, and yeah, it's made my nails a bit white, but it hasn't taken all the oil out. It's weird. Now, let's get rid of it all, purge the whole system, and then try again later. Right, well, I've drained the fuel tank and refilled it with fresh fuel and a little bit of two-stroke mix. New fuel hoses here, new fuel filter, new fuel hose there. Drained the carby, and now I've connected it up to this jar so I can crank the new fuel up to it and then connect it all up. The reason I changed the hoses, these ones have turned to goo, going all soft and weird. So, yeah. Let's see, well, a lot of cranking now. And then I've got to clear it, change the spark plugs, and then see how it goes. So I'll just crank it until some fresh fuel goes into that. There we go. Now we connect up the carby. Let's see what happens. Nothing at all. Well, there's fuel in the bowl and the carby's got fuel in it, so let's see if it'll start. Fired once. Well, I put a set of fresh spark plugs in. The other ones were working, but now they've gone all black and sooty. It's really weird. I see the cycle of like this bloody car of running poorly, better, and then not working. Came with yellow spark, bad fuel. Fixed the spark to blue. Seems like killed the spark plugs because of the fuel. So, like, because it was flooding a bit, too much fuel on the plugs, then you give a good spark and it's made the insulation fail. So I'm hoping when I turn this key it actually works now. So let's see. Wants to. But not really. Oh, very close. Come on. Damn this thing. really wrong with that carby now. Well, I fiddled with the carby lots more.